is one challenging experience I have overcome in this past year?
One challenging experience I overcome in the past year was learning how to manage my responsibilities when I felt overwhelmed. Balancing schoolwork, extracurricular activities, and personal expectations was difficult. And there were moments when I felt stressed and discouraged. Instead of giving up, I learned to break tasks into smaller steps, ask for help when needed, and stay consistent when motivation was low. Over time, this experience helped me become more resilient by teaching me how to stay calm under pressure and keep going, even when things felt changing.
What personal qualities or strategies helped me get through it?
Personal qualities or strategies that helped me get through it. What helped me most was perseverance and self-discipline. I learned to manage my time better, break tasks into smaller steps, and remind myself to stay focused on my goals. Seeking help from classmates, instructors, or trusted friends also played an important role in keeping me motivated.
What did I learn about myself during that time?
What I learned about myself during that time, I learned that I am more resilient than I thought. Even when I felt stressed or discouraged, I was still able to push forward and adapt. I discovered that asking for help is not a weakness and that I perform better when I take care of my mental and physical well-being.
What are the current source of stress in my life?
Current sources of stress in my life. At present, my main sources of stress include academic workload, future career, planning and maintaining a healthy balance between school, family, and personal time.
What support or strategies might help me cope better?
Support or strategies that might help me cope better. To cope better, I can continue improving my time management skills, practices stress relief activities such as exercise or relaxation techniques, and maintain to open communication with people who support me. Setting realistic goals and allowing myself time to rest well also help me manage stress more effectively.